When it comes to safeguarding your home, windows are one of the most important yet often overlooked elements of your home's security. In Dallas, where the climate can vary and the need for safety is ever present, upgrading or installing new windows is a smart way to enhance security and increase peace of mind. Whether you're looking to replace old windows or install new ones, modern window technology offers much more than aesthetic benefits. It can provide a higher level of security, reducing the risk of break-ins and improving your home's overall safety. In this article, we'll explore how window installation in Dallas homes can play a crucial role in enhancing security, keeping your family and belongings safe, and making your home more resilient to external threats. Stronger materials for better protection. One of the most effective ways to enhance your home's security is by installing windows made from stronger, more durable materials. Traditional single-pane windows, especially those in older homes, can be easily broken with minimal force. This makes them a vulnerable point of entry for burglars or intruders. Modern windows are made with impact-resistant glass, tempered glass, or laminated glass that are much harder to break. Tempered glass is designed to shatter into small, non-sharp pieces, while laminated glass has a protective layer that keeps the glass together even when it cracks. These stronger materials make it much more difficult for intruders to break through the window, significantly improving the security of your Dallas home. Enhanced window locks and reinforced frame. In addition to stronger glass, new window installations often come with improved locking mechanisms. Older windows may have outdated locks that are easy to tamper with or bypass. Modern windows, however, often feature multi-point locking systems, which engage at several points along the window frame, making it much more difficult for someone to force the window open. Reinforced frames are also an important part of new window installation. Older frames made from wood or vinyl can weaken over time, making it easier for intruders to pry open the window. Newer window frames, often made from fiberglass or aluminum, are stronger and more resistant to tampering, which adds an extra layer of protection. By upgrading to windows with advanced locks and reinforced frames, you'll be adding an important security feature that will make it harder for intruders to gain access to your home. Better seals and window security film. One often overlooked security benefit of new windows is the ability to apply security film to the glass. Security film is a clear, shatter-resistant film that can be applied to your windows to make the glass even more resistant to breaking. If a burglar attempts to break the window, the film holds the glass in place, making it more difficult and time-consuming for them to gain entry. Additionally, new windows typically come with better seals around the edges, preventing gaps where burglars can pry open the window or use tools to break in. These seals also help to block drafts and improve your home's energy efficiency, while ensuring that the window is tightly secured. Improved visibility for surveillance. In Dallas, many homes are equipped with security cameras and motion sensors as part of an overall security system. New windows are designed with clear, unobstructed views, which makes it easier for security cameras to capture video footage of potential threats around your property. Older windows, especially those with worn or foggy glass, can obscure the view from your cameras, reducing the effectiveness of your surveillance system. Installing new, clear windows not only enhances the look of your home but also allows your security system to operate at its full potential. If an incident occurs, having a clear view from your security cameras can be vital for law enforcement investigations and securing insurance claims. Noise reduction for improved awareness. While the primary purpose of windows is to let in light and air, newer windows can also help reduce outside noise. Soundproof windows, or windows with double or triple glazing, offer excellent noise reduction. This benefit may seem more aesthetic at first, but it actually contributes to home security by ensuring you're more aware of your surroundings. If you live in a noisy area, soundproof windows can make it easier to hear important sounds like someone approaching your door or an unusual noise outside. Reduced noise can also help you detect issues with your home's security, such as an intruder trying to break in. By reducing exterior noise, soundproof windows also help you maintain your peace of mind. Deterrence of crime. Installing new, high-quality windows can serve as a visual deterrent for potential criminals. Windows with visible security features, such as reinforced glass, strong locks, and security film, can make burglars think twice before targeting your home. Most burglars tend to look for the easiest entry point, so if they see that your windows are equipped with security features, they may move on to a more vulnerable property. In addition, new windows with modern designs and high-end materials give the impression of a well-maintained home, signaling that the homeowners care about their property and security. This can discourage criminal activity, as intruders often avoid homes that appear well protected. Increased home value and appeal. While the primary reason for installing new windows is to enhance security, it's worth noting that upgrading your windows can also increase the value of your home. Dallas homebuyers are increasingly looking for properties that offer modern features, including energy-efficient windows, safety features, and stylish designs. By replacing your old windows with newer, more secure models, you increase your home's marketability and appeal to potential buyers. In addition, the benefits of better insulation, energy savings, and enhanced security make your home more attractive to buyers who value long-term protection and savings. Conclusion: protect your Dallas home with new window installation. Upgrading your windows is one of the best ways to enhance security in your Dallas home. From stronger glass and advanced locking mechanisms to better seals and security film, new windows provide enhanced protection from break-ins and external threats. Additionally, improved visibility, noise reduction, and a visual deterrent help protect your family and belongings from harm. With the added benefits of energy efficiency, increased property value, and improved curb appeal, investing in new window installation is a smart, long-term decision for Dallas homeowners looking to protect their homes and families. Don't wait for an incident to highlight the need for better security. Invest in new windows today to enjoy enhanced protection and peace of mind for years to come.